Bonjour à tous. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Learn French with Madame. Today, we're going to talk about the verb être. So, in this video, we're going to talk about this verb called être, and you might have seen it a couple times before. However, today we're going to actually talk about what it means and how we're going to be able to conjugate it. So, with that being said, let's start. So the first thing that I want to talk about is what does the verb être mean? Now, in French one, we've already talked about the verb avoir, and we know that the verb avoir means to have. So être is one of the other majorly important verbs in French, and être is the verb to be. And by to be, I mean when you conjugate it, it means I am, he, you are, he, she, one is, etc., etc. So to say I am, you're going to say je suis. Go ahead and say that one with me. Je suis. All right. To say you are, if you're talking to one person, you're going to say tu es. Tu es. All right. Up next, he, she, or one is il, elle, on, est. So that's pronounced the exact same way as our last one. So go ahead and say this one with me. Il, elle, on, est. Excellent. To say we are, we're going to say nous sommes. Nous sommes. All right, go ahead, say that one. Nous sommes. Très bien. Now to say you or y'all are, remember you're going to say vous if you're talking to somebody that's older than you or you're unfamiliar with, or vous if you're talking to more than one person. You're going to say vous êtes. Vous êtes. Go ahead and say that one. Vous êtes. Nice. Remember, when we have an S and a vowel sound, it makes that Z sound. So instead of saying vous êtes, you say vous êtes. So it makes that Z sound in there. It's called a liaison, a link. All right. In our last form of être, we have il and elles sont. So go ahead, say that last one. Ils sont, elles sont. Très bien. All right, so here's a little table written out with what everything means. So we have je suis, which means I am. Tu es, which means you are. Il, elle, on est, which means he, she, one is. Nous sommes means we are. Vous êtes means you or y'all are. And ils sont, elles sont means they are. All right, so qu'est-ce qui manque? What's missing? So now I want you to go through and tell me what is missing. So there's going to be some questions. Okay, so qu'est-ce qui manque? Tell me what is missing. Oui, nous sommes. All right, here's our next one. Tell me what's missing. Qu'est-ce qui manque? Oui, je suis. Okay, la prochaine, il, elle, on. Hey, très bien. Et la prochaine, the next one, vous êtes. Excellent, vous êtes. Il et elle, qu'est-ce qui manque? What is missing? Sont. Très bien. Et la dernière, tu es. Très bien. Okay, now what does the verb être mean? So to round off our video for today, tell me what the verb être means. Oui, it means to be. So all of these mean I am, you are, he or she, one is, we are, you or y'all are, and they are. Excellent. So when I post this in Google Classroom, there is a little video here, if you click on it in the PowerPoint, called Grammaire, and it will take you to a little video that basically just explains everything that I just explained to you, but with some pretty cool cartoons. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out via email or remind. Mais c'est tout et à plus.